Chica, the chicken everyone can't stop squeaking about. Loved by people of all ages, from all ages. Starting with humble beginnings to starring in her own TV show. This is a rare look into the life of Chica, one of the most beloved birds in entertainment. Now, a peek behind the squeak.
Well, I'm Chica's mom.
And I'm Chica's dad.
But Kelly calls us Mr. and Mrs. C.
For short.
Yeah.
Chica, oh, our precious little chick.
Our little tweet pea. Yeah, she's the sweetest little chick, and you have to know that she started dancing the second she was hatched.
Very talented.
Long before Chica was hatched, Mr. and Mrs. C were stars of the stage.
Oh, those were the days.
Yes, indeed. Songs and dances and musicals galore.
What were some of those musicals?
Let's see, we did Cluck-a-Lot.
Oh, Oklahoma.
And, Mummy Mia. I remember that. That was a spooky one.
They became the world's first traveling chicken duo, performing their song and dance routines to sold-out crowds all over the country. But their duo was about to become a trio. From the beginning, it was clear that Chica was extraordinary.
Like you said, Chica just popped right out of the egg dancing.
Although she was barely out of her shell, news of the talented young chicken spread quickly, and important TV people started to take notice.
From the moment I met Chica, I knew she'd be a star.
Who's that chicken?
We just had to get this little chicken on TV.
Hello, well, it's a brand new day.
Chica's first big break came on the Sunny Side Up Show.
Welcome to the Sunny Side Up Show! Live with Kelly and Chica. Yes, Chica, it is a party. Chica and I first met on the Sunny Side Up Show, and I knew right away that we were going to be friends forever and that it would be awesome.
Actually, Kelly, everything was more than awesome.
Oh, yeah.
The Sunny Side Up Show was a hit.
The Sunny Side Up Show was the first of its kind. It's really live, so that means that Sproutlets can send in their pictures and their messages, and then they can see them on TV that very morning.
Happy birthday!
Every day, Chica and her friends learn about something new, and that encourages Sproutlets and their families to explore their world around them. And with the success of the Sunny Side Up Show, Chica was becoming a huge star. Now, as you can see from my pie chart, Hey, who ate my pie chart?
Chica quickly earned the praise of her co-stars.
Nice, DJ Chica. Great job, high wing.
And other celebrities wanted to work with her.
We have our friend Mario Lopez who's here.
Wave. Nice, Chica. Good job.
You are on your way to be a really good weather chicken.
With the growing popularity of the Sunny Side Up Show, Chica was on the fast track to success. But that's when things got dark.
Ugh, I'll never forget that time. Chica was just in such a dark place. She didn't know where to go. She didn't know what to do. Till I turned the light on and she was like, oh, I can see.
So what was the next step for everyone's favorite chicken?
Chica, we wonder whether you thought about expanding your role. Expanding your role.
You won the Squeak!
You really need to believe in yourself and do what you love to do.
Chica had already tried her wing at so many things on the Sunny Side Up Show. Dinosaur stomping, even poultry princess prancing. But one thing never changed. Chica's love of dressing up.
This chicken could be anything she wanted to be by playing dress up on her own show. I know. Let's call it the Chica Show.
Could it be true? Chica's chance had finally hatched. She was getting her own show, and the perfect setting for it was right under her beak the whole time.
Yes, Chica's parents just so happened to own a costume coop, which just so happened to be jam-packed full of costumes that Sproutlets and their families could use for all of their dress-up needs.
The costume coop, that's where we live and work, and we rent out costumes.
We found a perfect location for the Chica Show.
Everything was almost ready, but Mr. and Mrs. C needed another pair of hands to help out around the costume coop.
I think the day Mr. and Mrs. C asked me to help them out in the coop was one of the best days of my life.
You remember the look on her face?
She was beside herself. She went,
I was like, whoa! So now, I help to run the costume coop and put on the show. The costume coop, how may I help you play today? And I got to meet some really cool new friends like Jet, our on-the-fly delivery guy.
Special delivery.
And Stitches, the ragdoll featured in some of Mr. and Mrs. C's stage productions. Oh, and of course, Bungie, the bunny rabbit. He was a delightful surprise left over from one of Mr. C's magic tricks. Wow, Chica, time to dress up and play. And we all get dressed up and we go on these amazing adventures all over the place. That's Chica's favorite part. Who knew that one little chicken could do so much?
The incredible journey of one little bird, from exceptional egg to the star of the Chica Show.
That was amazing! Wow, Chica, you are the most incredible chicken ever! I believe it's almost time for the Chica Show! I mean, after all the amazing things you've done already, you actually have your own show. I can't wait to see what kind of costumes you're gonna wear, what big adventures we're gonna have. But it's starting. Here we go.